Most men fail before they even begin, not because they lack looks, not because they lack money, but because they misunderstand attraction. Here's the first hidden truth. Women don't respond to effort. They respond to emotional certainty. The man who tries the hardest is rarely the one she desires. Confidence isn't loud. It's calm. It's controlled. Second secret: silence is power. When you don't rush to fill every gap with words, your presence becomes heavier. She starts leaning in, not because you're chasing her attention, but because you're not begging for it. Third, women test subconsciously, not to hurt you, but to see who you are under pressure. If rejection breaks you, interest disappears. If indifference doesn't shake you, curiosity grows. Strength isn't domination. It's emotional stability. Fourth secret most men ignore: attraction is not built logically. It's built through feeling, moments, energy, how she feels around you, not what you say to impress her. You don't convince desire, you allow it to happen. Here's the exploit most men never learn. Stop trying to be chosen. Become someone who doesn't need validation. Work quietly. Improve consistently. Detach from outcomes. Women are drawn to men who are moving forward. Men who don't pause their lives for approval. Remember this: desire isn't forced. It's triggered. And the moment you stop chasing, you become the one worth chasing.